Firm bristles. Made of crimped polypropylene for stiff, rugged strength. Soft grip handle. Offers added comfort and control. Sleek design. 7-inch structural foam block offers a useful, manageable size. Versatile. Ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Warranty. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Thoroughly clean a variety of surfaces with help from this Amazon Basics soft grip scrub brush. The utility brush keeps hands up and away from messes while providing a deep clean, perfect for general cleaning tasks all around the home or workspace. Equipped with crimped polypropylene bristles, the handheld scrub brush can take on aggressive scrubbing. It reaches effectively into crevices and holds up well over time. The Amazon Basics scrub brush includes a sturdy 7-inch structural foam block, which offers stability and a useful, manageable size. Its soft grip handle provides added comfort and control. Top reviews from the United States. Great brush. Purchased this brush to clean my bathtubs and I gotta say I am happy. Other brushes are either too soft or too rough and end up peeling off the paint, but this one is just right.